it's afternoon now. It's been an interesting day. Raining for most of the time, and after having the jab today, I've been feeling a little bit just tired and a little bit sick. But okay, they said that can happen after, especially the second dose. Anyway, in the afternoon there was these birds in my back veranda. These, I'm not sure they're magpies. They look like magpies, but they're not. They're just a little big, like a mini magpie. I don't know what you call the things. But they're very friendly. They don't. This one opened up the door and went outside. He just stayed there. It was like he was singing. So I got the 360 camera out and put that. So I'll show you just a little bit of that. So after seeing that, let me know what kind of bird is that, because I have no idea. I'm no bird expert. Anyway, what is it? It's 5 o'clock now. I've just gone for another little drive, picking up a friend who's just moved, in the process of moving, should I say. I'm going to help him out, have some dinner, just shout. Thanks, mate. And then back home. But hey, at least I'm one of those good citizens now who are fully vaccinated. I'm not one that's for it or against it. I had some concerns for it myself, but it is what it is, and I've got it now. I'm doing the right thing. I need to think about my parents who have all been vaccinated, and I need to be careful about their health. My son, my ex-wife who lives with, well, my son lives with her, should I say, and she's fully vaccinated in her work because she does work in a retirement village. It's important, the risks, I don't want to pass that on to her and my son as well, so I've done the right thing there. But I'm not going to say that everyone should and shouldn't. I do think some of the rules forcing people to have the vaccine is a bit rough, but let's not get into all that, because we can see, I reckon with friends, the old arguments was, if you talk about politics. Now I reckon the new argument, are you vaxxed or not? Are you this or that? You know what? Everyone's got their own personal reasons and their own personal bodies, so you can do with your body what you see fit. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Hope you enjoy another little interesting angle. This cool little device I got for the little pole stand thing works really well for setting it up in the car, especially with this. I still reckon this Go2 is great little companion camera to take with you everywhere. It's so much easier to use than the phone and even some of these other cameras, the GoPro, because it's so small. I really need to get onto my video about it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'd be, as where it normally is. Yeah, so hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Try and beat Fist to the Fistmaster, and the best way to do that is to hit that bell icon, so when I get a new video up, you can beat the Fistmaster. Though he seems to be on holiday at the moment, so who knows? Maybe you can be the new Fistmaster.